See, we're at rule number 7, happy history. Always delete unneeded history to keep a rig fast, and also to keep just to keep it nice and clean. Ooh, there's some bad skinning on this thing. My goodness, I hope you fix it when you're playing with this rig. So here you can see that the geometry itself, go away, not you, the error message. The geometry itself has all sorts of stuff in here. Look at this. Transform geometry, polytweak, polysoft edge. What that means is that every time I'm doing anything, and this is a lattice deformation that is in the lattice of skins of the skeleton. The tune lines are kind of cranky, but that's all right. It's having to think about all of those. And if you are really bad and you have lots of history there, it really starts to bog down. So there is something you can do for this problem. We select the geometry, go to Edit, Delete by Type, Non-Deformer History. If you choose History, you will erase your skin node and your lattices. So Non-Deformer History. Let me test. Never trust me. Make sure I'm not lying. I'm not lying this time. And you can see that still works and everything's gone. This is our blend shape node. And of course, this is created by the blend shape. So we're good to go.